Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add apps in Allow Notifications Do Not Disturb on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the focus, choose the Do Not Disturb. Then in the Do Not Disturb, click Apps under the Allow Notifications. Then in the Notifications, you will see a positive sign under the Allow Notifications from. Then all you have to do is click the positive sign. Then after that, you can choose the applications that you want to add on your Allow Notifications. For example, I want to choose GCash and FaceTime. Then all I have to do is click this until there's a check mark on the side. And if you're done, you can click Done. And your application is on the list. And that's it. We have successfully added apps in Allow Notifications Do Not Disturb on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching.